Here's a riddle for you. What did the Ark of the Covenant, a real estate document, a stone pot, and the Tabernacle of David have to do with the end times? Well, Jeremiah received a word thousands of years ago that tied it all together, and Michael Rood is going to unpack that prophecy for you.
That is a promise of what is going to happen when the Messiah reigns. Because when he is seated in Jerusalem, the Ark of the Covenant is his seat, but the whole of Jerusalem will be his throne. It will be his throne room. This is where his priests and kings will bring the hard cases to him in Jerusalem. It is not the throne, it is the mesos, as in heaven. The mesos in heaven, this is where all the angels are. This is where the sea of fire and glass, the 24 elders are. All the angels are in the throne room of heaven. And upon the earth, Jerusalem will be the throne room. But the throne itself will be the Ark of the Covenant. But why will we not be coming up to visit the Ark of the Covenant? Because Yehovah Tsevaot, the Messiah himself, Yeshua, is sitting upon the throne judging the nations. He's the big deal, not the seat that he's sitting on. That's why it's not going to be the big deal. That's why it's not going to come to mind. They're not going to be thinking, oh, we're going to go up and see the Ark of the Covenant. No, it's Yeshua sitting upon the throne. Now, I want to take you to the greatest no man's land deal in all the Bible. We go back to the book of Jeremiah, which was written by Baruch, the scribe of Jeremiah. It records that, Baruch records this, that the word of Yehovah came to Jeremiah and told him, saying, behold, Hanamiel, the son of Shallum, your uncle, shall come unto you and say, buy my field in Anatote, for the right of redemption is yours to buy it. So, Hanamiel, my uncle's son, came to me in the court of the prison according to the word that Yehovah had said to me. Now, Jeremiah at this point is in the palace, in a prison in Jerusalem, in Zedekiah's palace. That's where he's being held. He's not being held in the palatial quarters, I will tell you that. But he is being held, and so he has some freedom of movement to be able to go out into the courtyard. And so that's when Hanamiel, his cousin, came in to see him in the court of the prison according to what Yehovah had said to him. And Hanamiel said this, I pray thee, Yirmiyahu, buy my field, which is in Anatote, in the jurisdiction of Benjamin, for the right to purchase the inheritance is yours, and the redemption is yours. Buy it for yourself.